Hello everyone, my name is LaShonda Kimmons and today I will explain the importance of attracting top talent through online job postings within organizations. After carefully analyzing the data set, I noticed a few inefficiencies with the organization's ability to appeal to higher quality candidates. Each of the items create a trickle effect that leaves the company at risk with unsuccessful recruitment strategies by attracting lower quality candidates, which in turn creates a less productive workplace due to the lack of experience or education, thus leading to employee frustration, causing higher turnover rates and loss of revenue by shortening the employee life cycle. My theory suggests that improving the online recruiting methods will result in a pool of higher quality candidates for hire. A poll taken by Monster shows how 60% of applicants fail to apply to positions due to the jargon and acronyms within the description. Prosser suggests that 40% of job applicants become ill when salary expectations are not included in the job description, thus supporting my argument in stating that improving online recruiting methods will result in a pool of better candidates. My analysis states that the patterns show the lack of information delivered to attract candidates. The numbers tell a descriptive story of how companies are inadequately posting employment information to job seekers. As you can see, the graph describes the fluctuation of job information provided to applicants that only lists NA within the fields. Please keep in mind that this information is only reflective of a 6-month time frame for the year 2015. There is a significant amount of organizations over the span of the 6-month time frame that suggests that on average, a rate of 155 job postings per month, in which 40% of those postings included the phrase NA for salary range, duration of employment, start dates, or terms of employment. We want to make sure that we are encouraging our current HR professionals to use HRS tools on hand by researching and understanding what job postings work for the organization. We want to make sure we establish defined goals for improving the details listed on postings. We want to even throw a little incentive for HR professionals that recruit highly sought out individuals with attractive employee loyalty traits. With that being said, you may then base information for the criteria on a performance plan during quarterly evaluations. Organizations have to also think in future terms of growth. With growth comes higher revenues and profits with a need for more personnel. Therefore, companies need to reduce high turnover rates, attract top quality candidates, and be able to forecast good and bad employee choices. This capability can only begin in the onboarding process while companies are attracting new talent. Blogger Rachel Blakely states, without being upfront about job details, you could face high employee turnover rates. If organizations continue to fail with providing details, they will run not only the risk of high turnover rates, but hiring unqualified candidates, slow down the recruitment process, and approve wrong hires. So let's begin with the end in mind. Let's choose today to improve our company from within by starting on how we reel in new talent by improving our techniques for online job postings. Thank you for your time.